meron pa dito. Ayan. Nagbili naman siya. You don't like... I'm gonna eat later. And ako, gumising ako ng maaga around like 3:45 kasi hindi ko tinapos yung inedit ko kagabi. Natulog kasi ako maaga mga around 9 and yeah, gumising ako mga 3:45. So, ang oras ngayon is 7:36 and natapos ko yung inedit ko. Naka-upload na siya. Hindi pa. Uploading pa siya. 8%. And today is Tuesday and I know late nito mapapanood guys. And di ba kahapon nag-ano ako, tinatakpan ko to guys. So, kasi tingnan nyo. Mario Badesco ang sagot sa aking mga sumpa dyan. Ang dami. Ngayon lang first time ko magkaroon ng madami dito. Hindi ko alam siguro nga sa kinakain ko kasi hindi na ako masyadong nagra-rice. More ano ako parang mushroom, tapos meat. And yan siguro yun din. At saka sa tulog din nagbago na naman yung routine ko sa pagtulog. And kaghapon, di ba, naglaba ako and then nasampay ko siya hapon na nagdi-dinner na yung mga boys and umulang kagabi kaya ayun, basang-basa yung aking mga sinampay kahapon. So, kuya, hindi ko alam kung mag-ano sila kasi parang feeling ko nagdi-drizzle pa sa labas. Do you think yung, sisak pala. Sisak pa lang ang gising. Tsaka si Holly, si kuya tulog pa. Ang pasok nila is 8:45. So, okay pa naman. So, Sak, do you want me to boil the egg? Do you want me to boil the egg?
Yeah.
Ha? Pardon?
Please.
Okay. Yun ang ano nila, almusal, boiled egg. So, mag-ano muna ako ng egg. You're very hungry. Si Holly, gutom na raw siya. Ayan, kumukulo na yung itlog. And ang lakas ng ulan sa labas. Ewan ko maririnig nyo, pero malakas yung ulan sa labas. And wala na kaming eggs. Ayan, ubos. Malakas kami sa ano. Kasi ang mga bata, mahilig talaga sila sa eggs. Halos yan ang breakfast din nila. Itlog. Yes, kuya? What's that? What's this? Volcano? What? Mayroon pinakita si kuya. What's this? It's a tree and a mountain. Yes.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good, kuya. Ito daw, oh. Mountain, tapos parang may rice, ano dyan, oh. Ano ba to? Grass, tapos puno niya. Good job, kuya. Yes, baby! Okay, I'll show it to dad. Pakita ko raw sa daddy niya. Ano yan, baba? Yeah. You want rice or fried rice, kuya?
Fried rice.
Oh, mag-fried rice na lang ako. Si Sak naman, rice. So, may time pang konti. Okay. Naghihintay na si Sak ng kanyang food. And meron pa ngang chicken. And, do you want chicken as well?
Mom.
Okay, yes?
Mom, I
Yeah.
want to tap my egg. And why this is? That's gonna be in the couch.
Yeah, that's for the couch. I use it because I was cold this morning. Luto na yung fried rice. Kunti lang talaga yung niluto ko para lang kay TJ tsaka kay Holly. Okay na to. Oh.
How many eggs is there?
Just one for you, then chicken na chicken. Ginamit ko kasi yun.
Got mine back out.
But Mom, where's my eggs?
Here, baba. Here. So, eto na yung kanilang. Eto kay Sak. Gusto ni Sak ng ano eh, ng chicken.
That's the next again.
So, eto kay Kuya.
Thank you.
Sak, ketchup? Okay.
Hey.
Si John.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Si John, papalitan niyo yung battery ng relo namin, yung wall clock kasi patay na siya. Patay na siya. Hindi na umaanda. Nandun na sila kumakain. Na, it's working now. Ayan, okay na siya. 8:05. Ako ng lunch yung dalawa. Gusto nila, ano eh, Vegemite and cheese yung lunch nila. Akala ko ubos na. Gusto niya na.
Fire, tent and fire.
Liar daw. Kasi sabi ko, wala ng Filipino ketchup. Meron pa pala.
And can you buy more?
Yes, I will. You want some?
You say you don't want. You say you
Gusto
don't
nila ang
want
Filipino
it.
ketchup eh. How about you, Kuya? You're right, Kuya? Ito yung request nilang lunch. Vegemite with cheese and butter. Kahapon lunch order sila. May ham ako pero gusto nila Vegemite. Itong Vegemite with cheese, very common to dito sa mga Australian kids na baon. Hindi sila eto, okay na ang baon nilang ganito, kaya ham.
Mama, after
Yung mga bata, minsan, dati, yes.
after this, I want more eggs.
Oh, no more eggs, Baba. Minsan, dati, si Sak, pinapabaon ko siya ng sushi nung gumagawa pa ko noon.
Honey, I'm down, down, down. But tell me if you are. Now, now, now. Let's not make it hard. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately 'cause you feel so. I know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that you ain't so trusting, but I feel so. Let's just take this back for a minute. We can make this what we've been living. And I know you hurt as well, darling, we can be ourselves. Let's just take this back for a minute. Now, hey. Ready, set, go. I can tell it's time. It's time, hey. Pull you close, your body next to mine. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately 'cause you feel so. I know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that you ain't so trusting, but I feel so. Let's just take this back for a minute. For a minute, we can make this what we've been living. We've been living, and I know you hurt as well. Darling, we can be ourselves. Let's just take this back for a minute. For a minute. Nah, we don't gotta wait. We don't gotta wait. We don't gotta wait. We don't gotta wait. We don't gotta wait.
Kaya si Sak, namimiss na. Remember, Sak, when I made you sushi for lunch? The long one, yes?
Why is it buy more eggs?
Buy more eggs. Yeah. Oh, remind ako ni Holly kasi alam niya wala na kaming eggs. Remind niya na ako. I will buy more eggs. So, ganyan lang, oh. Vegemite. Tapos, lagyan ng cheese. And yan na yung lunch nila. Ang dali-dali. Pero minsan ham, and minsan hotdog. Bawal kasi sa kanila ang may mga nuts. So, hindi sa pabaon. Kahit gustong-gusto ng mga bata ang peanut butter, hindi ko sila pwedeng pabaunan. Kasi, pabaunan kasi, bawal yan sa school. So, limit lang yung
Wait, Mom, is it the first sandwich?
Yeah.
Oh, but so where you
Eto na. Ayan, nahatiin ko lang sa dalawa. And ilalagay ko dito sa, eto na gusto nilang lunch bag.
I need drink.
Get drink now, Kuya, please.
I need a Coke.
Yakult, okay. Drink Yakult. So, tapos na sila kumain ng ng...
I only the last one.
Tapos na sila
I have the last
kumain.
one. So,
Si Holly, tingnan nyo si Holly.
what? There's the last one left.
Okay, we're gonna buy more, Baba. When we go to the month on Wednesday.
There's one more in there.
Oh, one more. Zach, I told you to cover your thing.
No, the table. Mom, have to be at school.
Yeah.
What? Mom, when I'm older, can I get done at school?
When you're older, yes? Si Holly gusto niya mag-school. Si Jan, busy na naman siya sa labas. Proud na proud siya sa ginawa niyang paglinis doon sa sa shed kasi merong nag-compliment sa kanya
What
na
that's doing?
parang bagong pintura.
Mom, what
Which is
that's doing?
parang bago siyang pintura. Ha?
What that's doing?
Cleaning outside again. So, ito na yung lunch nila. Then, kuhaan ko sila ng apple and biscuits. So, tapos.
I got more biscuits.
You got your biscuit? Okay, si Kuya nakuha niya yung biscuit. How about fruit?
Oh no.
Okay, I'll get your apple.
What? Mom, maybe I can food.
Your full? Okay.
How you do?
Baon for today. Ayan. Merong shapes. Isang tiny teddy and
And Teddy.
scotch finger, tapos apple, and ito yung lunch nila. And kay Sak, shape, tapos dalawang teddy. May extra si Sak, tapos mini, itong scotch finger, tapos apple, and sandwich. And
Mom,
ito, gawa ni Sak, pinapakita niya sa akin. And yung,
What you find this for?
this is from Tito Neil and Tita Cathy. And dito yung
No, I said what?
V8 ni Sak.
What
Si
you
Kuya
find
ayaw
that?
niya kasi wala na yung breakfast nito eh. Mayroong V8 breakfast kaso naubusan na kami. Meron silang ice pack kaso malamig ngayon. Sabi ni Sak, wag na lang daw. So, okay na to. Carrie. Okay. Na sila. See ya. Listen and learn.
Ah,
What's wrong?
I want to shoot.
Listen and
Learn.
learn. See ya! Alis si John. Is it junk shop? Do you call recycle place daw ang tawag dito. Sa atin kasi 'di ba junk shop. So ito yung mga 10 cents, right? Lahat 'yan. Ito puno to. And ayan, ilang garbage bag ba to? Wait baby, 1 2 3. Do you still have more there or
Yeah.
you have
Fill it. I thought it was full, but
hindi.
I've got 2 of them in bags.
So, hindi pa puno. Meron pang isa, hindi pa puno. So, eto na lang muna raw ang unahin niya. So, pupunta siya doon sa recycle ba? And, ipunin, we're gonna save the money for this, okay? And then we're gonna count by December. By December. Tingnan natin kung magkano tayo. So, this is your first time to do this for this year, right? Yeah? Answer me. Yeah. Okay. Come on, Baba. Hindi kami sasama doon kasi mabaho doon, guys. As in, ang baho. Pakita ko yung isa. It's gonna rain? Oh, uulan daw, guys. So, siguro... Yeah. I-transfer ko daw yung mga damit sa dito sa pagola kasi uulan daw tapos lalakas ang hangin. So, mayroon pa ditong hindi pa raw kasi ito puno kaya hindi niya muna sinama. Alis na hindi yan. Ayan, oh. Meron pa dyan. Tingnan natin kung magkano yun mamaya. Tingnan ko yung mga sinampay kasi lalakas daw ang ulan at saka yung hangin. So, ilipat ko siya sa loob.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy, just wanna be
Dito ko isasampay para hindi maulanan. Bala ko pa naman na maglaba. Kaso uulan eh. So, next time na lang yung ibang labahan.
lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy, layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that.
Gusto ko magsampay, and etong blue, malaki to, kaya ang ginawa ko ay, ang ingay, ano yun, ipon. Nang akbang siya. Basta ayan. Pero yung ilalim niya, mayroong mga nakasampay dyan. Kasi, pag hindi ko ginawa, sasayad siya. Medyo ngang, parang sumasayad. Hindi naman sumasayad, pero may konti ba, parang sasayad na siya. So, yun ang ginawa ko. So, matutuyo yan. Sana matuyo siya. Mahangin. Yung hangin niya ay medyo malamig. Nakalinis na kami ni Holly. Ayan, malinis na dito. And si kitchen and lahat malinis na. And, ayan, nagbihis na ako na pang-workout ulit. Pero this time, totoo to, mag-workout ako sa labas. Gusto ko sana tumakbo kaso wala pa si Jan. Iwan ko sana si Holly, pero kung hindi, doon na lang sa labas. Pero bago yan, iinom muna tayo ng V8. Nag-itlog ako kanina. Uminom na ako ng itlog kanina.
I like it.
You said you don't like this. Remember? Yesterday?
I like it.
Yeah. So, inom tayo nito. Kumain naman tayo ng egg. So, okay na yan. No rice. Panindigan.
Mom,
You want? Okay, try.
I need the toilet.
Oh, okay. You wanna go toilet. Nakahawak na siya sa ano niya. Kasi hindi na siya nagnanap. Hindi siya nagnanapi pag, umaga, gabi lang. Ito muna to. Can you hold it?
Mom, I need the toilet.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Ihi siya. Mumove ko yung Hi!
I want somebody. Exercise, Naya.
Yeah, can you help me move this, please? How much?
$50.
Oh, give it to me, huh? I'll put that in the... I know, I just spray inside. What's that? Nagpasalubong siya kay Holly. What's that, Han?
Jam donut. I'll spill mine everywhere.
Ah.
Sweeties! What's the matter?
Natuluan daw yung punch niya ng ng donut. Yung jam. Ang dumi.
There's lots of jam in it.
So you have to be careful.
I like that. And bite. Tell me if you like it.
I like it.
Of course you do.
Han, can you help me? We need to move this kasi dati minove ko na to kaso nag-stop ako. I-move lang namin ito.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just want.
Ha? Yum. Parang gusto kong kumagat. Nakikita niya yung jam. Let me see. I'm just showing the jam. That one. Ay, yummy. Oh, Baba, cover your food. Ay, inisprayan niya yung mga damit. Ang dami kasing flies. Hoy! Kinagatan niya para makuha ni Holly yung jam. Niloloko mo si Holly. Maalikabok yung mga yung mga
Put down here.
gamit ko. Oh, 'di ba inano ko lininis ko na 'to. Maalikabok na naman sila. Eto Han, oh. See, I told you I don't have space, Han. See? Please.
Come on. Try the jam.
Lagay niya yan dyan. And yung bola. Ito yung tinatapon-tapon ko. Dito sa wall. Yung box lang naman yung maalikabok. Pero yung loob, hindi naman. Oh. Diba? Kaya linagay ko talaga sila sa box. Hindi ko tinatapon yung box. Sige na. Mag-exercise na tayo. Ako pala. Okay. Yan pa. So, mag-start na ako. I-time-lapse ko kayo, guys. Okay, Han, Han. Malamig? It's cold, honey.
Start working out.
It's cold. Malamig yung hangin. Okay. Ayan yung galing kay Race and Dan. Diba? Meron tayo dyan na bench.
It's been a day.
Rini-arrange ko yung ginawa ni Jan. Minove ko yung table doon para mas marami yung space. Kasi meron akong gustong gayahin na, na workout. Kasi, di ba, wala pa naman akong program na pwede kong gayahin. Kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-pa-enroll dun sa squash brook. Eto ba, gusto ko itong gayahin. Ito yung kay Miles, Aubrey Miles. Silang dalawa ni Troy nag-workout together. Sana mag-workout din si John. Pero hindi yan. Huh?
Can you do that?
Yes, baby. I think so. Maybe. Are you gonna help me? So, iset up ko lang, nandito na eto, hindi ko alam kung tawag dyan, basta yan. Iset up ko lang na katulad na ang ginagawa nila. Pero wala ako yung parang box.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to...
Na-set up ko na yung aking pag-workoutan. Ayan yung itsura. And hindi siya ganun ka-eksakto katulad sa kanila kasi wala naman ko yung ibang gamit. And ina-arrange nila kasi marami silang ginagawa. Pero yung gagawin ko ay yung kaya ko lang. So, let's do this, Baba. This is my first workout for 2020. So, gawin na natin.
I don't wanna feel rushed or very advertised. We're doing what we're meant to. I'm scared with you, but I'm there with you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ain't no holding back now, so let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I can't wait to the whole week. I wanna get to love him. I wanna get to love him. That I can't wait to the whole week. I wanna get to love him. I wanna get to loving you.
Hey y'all, it's that girl Layla. I can't eat, I can't sleep. So much hate in the world I see. Where's the love for a girl like me? I'm fresh, I jib like a pearl in the sea. Ooh, yeah, lots of the vibes, chillin' the low, keeping my head high. Get to the love and don't waste time, no back and forth, living my best life. Life is all so magical. Get lit like your flame on blue. Dance and smile, have a good time. We gon' glow and shine. So much love it'll blow your mind. Sing this song like you know the rhymes.
I can't wait to the whole week.
Tapos na ako, guys. Ay, hininga tayo. Alis baba, umuulan and humahangin, which is good kasi panay tayo pagpawisan. And yung ginawa ko ay, ang tawag dun ay circuit training. Yun ang sabi doon. Kung gusto yung mag-exercise, i-follow nyo si Miss Aubrey Miles kasi marami siyang ginagawa na pwedeng gawin sa bahay. And yung tubig, guys, hindi naman to puno. Siguro mga hanggang dito lang. Dinagyan ko kasi kanina huminga ako ng tubig kay dyan. Yung maliit na pangbatang baso. Binigyan niya ako. So, pumasok ako kanina. And kumuha ko. And, ayan. Malapit ko na siya maubos.
I was cold.
Ano kaya to? 2 liters yata to. Ha? Are you cold? No, I'm hot.
I do cold.
How about you? Are you cold?
No, I'm not cold.
Ah, nakakapagod siya. Nanginginig yung legs ko kasi yung, yung may upuan dyan, yung bench na yan.
I don't.
Mataas siya. So,
Ma'am.
ginawa ko siya 3 times na, ano ba? In lahat yung 3 times. Pero dito, yes baby.
Can you buy off this?
Do you want me to buy you like this?
Yeah.
Gusto niya
A
ng ganito.
little one.
A little one, okay. And, yung sa, sa arms, yung parang push-up, dinadamihan ko siguro mga 50. Pero, humihinto naman ako kasi gusto ko yung arms ko yung matone. Kasi, medyo siya, chubby-chubby yung aking arms. Narinig niyo yung ulan? Umuulan and humahangin, oh. Oh, pahinga muna ako and mamaya papasok na ako. Magpapahangin lang ako dito.
It's raining on the side.
Ha?
It's raining.
Yeah, I know. Wait, Baba. I'm just gonna have a rest and get the fresh air, okay? Ligpit ko na to and papasok na tayo kasi lumalakas na yung ulan. O, naririnig nyo? Ang lakas na ng ulan at saka mahangin.
It's that girl Layla and Tiffany Houghton.
I ain't tryna change the game. I ain't tryna change.
Niligpit ko na yung mga gamit kong pang exercise and linagay ko ulit sila sa box para hindi talaga sila maalikabukan. And eto, matagal na to sa akin. Ito yung battle rope. Tagal na nito sa akin. Mahigit 1 taon na to. Ayan, bagong-bago pa siya. Nasa plastic. Yeah, mahigit 1 taon na siya. Diyan lang siya. Hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. But for sure, magagamit ko yan this year. Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan, pero magagamit ko yan. So, maalikabok na yung ano, oh. So, ilagay ko na yan doon. Dito ko kayo pinatong habang nag-exercise ako.